Hello, and this is the first video for EGR425. And as you can see, I installed VS Code and the platform IO. As you can see down here, it's open. I did all the steps with the M5 Stack Core 2 Arduino. And I already did the Hello World update and the Flappy Bird game. And I did the reinstall the factory test. And this is the main CPP file for the main CPP file for this assignment. And you can scroll all the way down. It's 2,212 lines of code, but everything looks like it's working. I even changed the updater where it had under the read and write the false. I commented out the read and the write as stating the instructions. This is going to be a short video, and yeah, this is done.